Hi everybody, our next topic is advantages of modularizing a program into functions. Modularizing means making parts, modules, separate parts. In our mother tongue we can say it as బాగాలు ముక్కలు ముక్కలు చేయడం ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ముక్కలు ముక్కలుగా చేయడం వల్ల లాభం ఏంది నథింగ్ బట్ అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ మేకింగ్ modularizing of a program into functions, right? This is also one of the important question previously asked questions, right? Very simple. Advantage of modularizing program is a side heading. Making parts, first thing, code or program is easy to read. So if you separate parts part wise, it will be easy to read. If you write only one program, lengthy program, you don't know where it has started and where it is ended. Just like we have 5 units in our syllabus and each unit has separate chapters and topics. We have divided our syllabus. For first mid exam, this is the part. Second mid exam, this will be the slip test, grand test will be like that. We have divided. Similarly, in program also, we have divided with functions. So that the first advantage use is, I will show you with the cursor. Code program is easy to read, easier to read. Second one, code is easier to test. For testing also it will be easy, means for compiling also it will be easy. Easily finding things later onwards we can find outputs also easy. Reusability without bloat means swell, ఉబ్బటం అనమాట. With our mother tongue we can say ఉబ్బడం. Thickness means ఉబ్బటం. I wrote here also big. Instead of big program we can make it into small program, so it will be reusability. Then single source for faster and fixing. Single source will be there to fix it faster. Easier, lower risk of updates, so easily we can update the program. Easier refractioning means mukkal చేయటం. Easily we can divide the program into structures of the code, right? And easier to collaborate means కలపడం, joining, right? Combining is easy. So then modular software design is done by breaking the larger code, means larger program into smaller sections, is called modular of the program. Modular design is shown to improve the design process by allowing better usability. Workload handling will be easy and other things will be easier. Debugging programs, right? Very simple. I will show you. Other 4 key benefits of the modularization. Faster project delivery, means if you want to design in the software companies, we can deliver the software very easily. Project means software. This project means nothing but software. We can write S by W, right? Very simple. Better quality assurance. For testing purpose this will be used. Better quality, QA engineer will be decided. Next, so far working environment, better environment, we can work it fast. Cost saving for owner, the price also saved for the project owner. These are the benefits. Modularizing program advantages of the using functions to make modular programs or changing the program into separate pieces of code. Reusing easier modifications. I wrote many points from other internets and other textbooks, so some of the points will be repeated, so you can remember some of the points and write. This may get in short marks question. What are the advantages of modularizing program is the question. And maintenance of the program, more understanding program functions can be called from anywhere in the main program with different input and different data. See, my explanation will be very easy. You can understand tough topic also. With my explanation, it will be very easy. So same thing, some of other points from the other textbook. Advantages of the modularizing a program. Same thing, changing the program into separate pieces. Code program reusability, easier modifying maintenance of the program. more understanding of the program. Functions can be called from anywhere in the program, just like called by function, calling function, main program with different input data. Function enable the programmer, means the user, end user, programmer, coder, developer generate their own libraries of the function. These are the advantages of the function. So write neatly in the exam. If you have any doubts, I will provide my mobile number. You can call me at any time. If you have any doubts, or if you want to document any material also, you can call me 9849181923. This is my mobile number. Pause the video and note it down. WhatsApp me or call me at any time. Don't hesitate. Feel free to call me just like a friend to improve your better career. I am working very hard for you. So utilize me and have a bright future. Right? All the best for your exam.